We all like drones. Although everyone don't know to use drones, they like to buy one of them. There are many cool and futuristic drones around us. In this video, we will show top 10 cool drones. Before seeing the video, please ensure to like, share, comment and subscribe the video. So welcome to the channel Mystery Gadgets, and we show you cool gadgets. The first drone of the video is Teleduffler Black Hornet PRS Soldier's Drone. Save lives and reduce collateral damage with the Teleduffler Black Hornet PRS Soldier's Drone. This military drone boasts nano-UAV technology that detects and identifies threats day and night. With the O&D technology, this professional gadget gives ground soldiers the information they need to stay safe. Nearly silent, this soldier's drone can increase speed and complete maneuvers without detection. Moreover, its small, lightweight profile makes it unlikely that the other side will see you. And the 25-minute flight time gives you ample opportunity to capture footage. The second drone is Skydio X2 4K camera drone. The Skydio X2 4K camera drone enables you to zoom in up to 100 times to capture far-away footage. In fact, its 4K navigation presents clear and sharp images. Therefore, you can obtain precise details even if you're not up close. Also, the FLIR thermal camera allows you to create an omnidirectional view when you need more awareness and support. Your images will be stable, too, thanks to the included gimbal. This prevents any shakes or distortion, so you don't need to be an experienced drone operator to use this. You can even use this drone during the day or at night, as environmental factors won't affect the imagery. The third drone is Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual Thermal Drone. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual Thermal Drone is a cut above the rest. That's due in part to the fact that it can take clear photos from up to 146 meters away. Manufactured in the USA, this gadget best serves those working in the public safety sector. It helps recognize people and objects in the dark, smoke, fog, and more barriers. Boasting a high-resolution IR camera, it has a separate 8K resolution RGB camera as well that'll give police and other emergency services the detail and zoomability they need. The fourth drone is CRA Carlo Ratti Associati & Fly Flying Drone. The CRA Carlo Ratti Associati & Fly Flying Drone blanket allows fleets of quadcopters to take off simultaneously. And it could scale up to 10,000 units, making it the largest show ever. This concept product brings you closer to autonomous drone swarms with a range of applications from light shows to environmental sensing to aerial 3D scanning. Furthermore, the flying drone blanket can fit inside a single suitcase. Each blanket could hold up to 16 drones while also doubling as a charging pad. To take off, each quadcopter makes a 45-degree handled turn and spins out of the blanket. The next drone is Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K Folding Drone. Capture images and videos with the Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K Folding Drone without it bumping into obstacles. This gadget can record up to 1 billion colors, retaining rich detail in shadows and highlights. It can also capture moments in low light conditions with 2D and 3D noise reduction to smooth motion blur and reduce noise. Most significantly, the Autel Evo 2 Pro supports video resolution up to 6K to reduce the time you spend on post-production. The sixth drone is Skydio 2 Autonomous Drone. With 6 color cameras that have a 200 superscript field of view, the Skydio 2 autonomous drone is already impressive. However, the fact that they pretty much see everything in any direction takes it up a notch. Furthermore, this self-flying drone now offers more updated features, including longer-range beacon tracking. It's now possible to track it up to 40 meters away instead of the previous 10 meters. You'll even get the new case landing feature as well, which means you can ask it to automatically land safely on the case's logo. The seventh drone is Throwflame TF19 Wasp Drone Flamethrower Attachment. The Throwflame TF19 Wasp Drone Flamethrower Attachment will help you hit what you're aiming at. This flamethrower can remotely ignite targets whether they're in the air or on the ground. If you want to take out another drone, it might just do the trick. With its 25-foot range, this drone flamethrower attachment can hit targets from stealthy positions. So when you use this attachment, you can do it from hiding. Plus, this flamethrower for drones is built to withstand hot and cold conditions. The 8th drone is Hover 2 self-flying 4K drone. This well-equipped drone takes all the hard work out of capturing footage. Offering 23-minute flights, Hover 2 uses the power of AI to adapt to its surroundings. It cleverly avoids obstacles and flies all on its own. Coming with its own remote, Hover 2 features a proprietary optical radar to achieve depth perception. You can choose one of a few modes to ensure you capture what you need. All of these give you cinematic quality to your footage for a profound feel for any viewer. The 9th drone is Hover Surface 3 Autel Hover Bike Drone. Ride above the ground with the Hover Surface 3 Autel Hover Bike Drone. This single personal drone makes it possible to fly without a pilot license. Offering complete freedom of flight, the Autel Hover Bike Drone works with an app to help you navigate in the air. Likewise, it prevents you from flying in restricted flight zones and interfering with others. Made of different kinds of carbon, the monocoque frame is a single element that is lighter than the previous model. Moreover, the Autel Hover Bike Drone reaches up to 60 miles per hour. Additionally, the hover bike design enables it to be rolled through a regular doorway. It can also take off and land from your average parking space. The last drone is Gladius Advanced Pro Smart Underwater Drone. Capture footage under the sea with the Gladius Advanced Pro Smart Underwater Drone. Designed for recording, observing, and discovering, this portable device can reach a depth of 100 meters. Thanks to its user-friendly design, you can easily capture Ultra HD 1080p/4K quality photo and video. Likewise, you can save your content straight onto the internal storage. Or, you can live stream your underwater adventure in real time. On both sides of the camera are complete with adjustable LED lights. Optimized for underwater use, the dimming lights allow you to shoot beautiful 12-megapixel photos and 4K videos. We had showed you some of the cool gadgets in this video. We believe that you like this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. So we Mystery Gadgets signing off. Thank you.